We're here to do the Bristol analysis so far and unbox this William Byron Hertz. So first I'll unbox this one. Here we go. Hertz 2020 William Byron. Right here. And I actually have a Joey Logano, Keselowski, Matthew Benedetto, and a Clint Boyer coming. Those are all 2020s. They're all going to come early June, so stay tuned for that. But for now, this is the Hertz William Byron. And this is the Bristol analysis. So William Byron has led the most laps today, and Kyle Busch has done the one thing no one else has done in the EA Sports Cup Series. He swept the two stages, both wrecking William Byron on the last lap. And William Byron and Kevin Harvick finishing second and third both times. And right now we have a battle for the lead between William Byron and Eric Jones. Byron is trying to hold off Jones, and we got at least 90 laps to go in this race, so still a long way to go in this race. And next week, the race number 11 is going to be next race is going to be Dover International Raceway, our third less than a mile track on this year's schedule. So, yeah. And a driver that's been holding strong today has been Tyler Reddick and Chase Elliott. Logano was up front, but then he got shuffled out to the back on a bad pit stop. So, and also Harvick and Jimmy Johnson's been good. Jimmy Johnson just missed out on a chance to win last week at Talladega, and he's holding strong today, so he might be a contender for the win along with Tyler Reddick and Chase Elliott. So that's the Richmond, that's the Bristol analysis. And if you like this diecast, comment in the comments bar. I got it off eBay. All of them are off eBay anyway. So thank you, and thanks for watching.